is simple, delicious, and unique fried tofu sushi. We hope you enjoyed this recipe and give it a try in your own kitchen. First, we'll prepare the rice. Place it in a mixing bowl. It's even better if you prepare warm rice. Pour the vinegar sauce over the top. Mix the sauce into the rice with a spoon, making sure to spread it evenly. Next, add some seasoning dried seaweed to the bowl of rice. This seasoning contains dried shrimp and anchovies. This seasoning contains salt, so you don't need to add salt. It has crispy seaweed in it, so the texture is good. Mix everything together well. Now, let's prepare the fried tofu. Finally, we'll assemble our fried tofu sushi. Take a half a spoon of the rice mixture and place it on top of a slice of fried tofu. Mix it with your hands and make it into a bite size. Repeat this process for all the remaining slices of fried tofu.
Hey Dad, thank you for preparing the breakfast. Fried tofu sushi, a dish that's so grand. A creation that's truly out of hand. It takes a classic and makes it its own. A unique twist that has never been known. The rice is mixed with vinegar so bright, with sugar and salt to make it just right. The shrimp and seaweed add depth to the taste. A flavor explosion that's sure to be graced. The tofu is fried until it's so crisp. A golden delight that's sure to be missed. It serves as the base for the sushi delight. A sturdy foundation that's rare to take flight. So gather your ingredients and give it a try. This dish is easy, it's simple and spry. A tasty creation that's sure to please. It's a treat for your taste bud with all the right keys. So enjoy this dish and let it astound. Fried tofu sushi, a treat that's so sound. A unique creation that's sure to delight. A dish that's so tasty and simply so bright.